Oneida County is currently in settlement negotiations with the Department of Justice over claims of voter disenfranchisement. Reporter Karina Gary has this story.
Oneida County and the United States Department of Justice are currently in negotiations to settle after the DOJ notified Oneida County Attorney Peter Rahill that they planned on suing the county for voter disenfranchisement.
The point here is there were issues raised through the lawsuit that was before Justice Del Conte, in which the question of voter ability was denied in some way.
This comes in response to the recent 22nd Congressional Court case that exposed multiple errors by the Oneida County Board of Elections. Most importantly, the over 2,000 voter registrations from the DMV that they failed to process on time. Despite the many errors made by the County Board of Elections in the 2020 election, Congresswoman Claudia Tenney believes that the DOJ has no legal basis to sue and is disappointed in the county's response.
Weird claim coming from the Department of Justice trying to say that Oneida County somehow had some civil rights violation is completely frivolous and false. There were no civil rights violations by Oneida County, and I think it was an attempt to intimidate the county and to maybe get some money out of them. And I'm really disappointed that our county is not standing up on that issue. I hope they will. I'd be happy to give them the law and the facts on this. And I do think, and I hate to say this, but it was an attempt by my opponent to try to minimize or to cast doubt on my win.
Congresswoman Tenney was frustrated that the county did not defend taxpayers and the fact the county was in a terrible position at the time. But County Executive Pacenti was quick to point out that Tenney was the one who filed the lawsuit that exposed the county's errors.
That's petty politics, and that's a ridiculous kind of statement to make. The Department of Justice, first of all, the former congressman is no longer in office. She is. Secondly, the lawsuit that started this whole process was brought by Claudia Tenney. My role and the role of our county law department is not to defend one candidate or the other. It's to defend the voters of this community and the Board of Elections in that regard.
The county executive explained that New York State Supreme Court Justice Scott Del Conte found that federal law was in question in terms of disenfranchisement of voters. He believes that the judge's ruling is what caught the DOJ's attention. Reporting from Utica, I'm Karina Gary, Eyewitness News.
The Oneida